Today we're talking about the piezo electric lighter for this water heater, and if you need one and you don't want to wait to order it or have to pay either 10 or 20 bucks for one, this is one of those dollar store lighters. So you just split it open, and then you grab this part and you rip this thing out. There's usually two wires on this, but one of them you'll squeeze it and you'll feel it spark. Anyway, you just hook it into this this wire here of the water heater. The red wire, just a little black wire into that one there, and then tie the little button on the side of your gas valve, and you got a $1 piezo lighter for your water heater.